I'm going to count to 10. And by the time I get to 10, I want you out of this place so I don't do something I will regret.
Come.
What?
Don't you like what you say?
Look, just in case you do not understand. If I sleep with you once, I will not sleep with you again.
What?
Once I chop you, I can't chop you again.
Did you just say that to me?
I just said that. I'm sure when you were walking into this compound, you saw a lady leaving. I've chopped her, and I will never chop her again. So if I chop you once, get out so that other people can come, I can chop them.
Chop me again. One more time.
They will chop you. And you're crazy. Chop you one more time and what happens? Get out of this. Get out. Sir, why are you looking like this? I hope everything's okay.
What are you doing here?
Of course, I came to see you.
Did I tell you I was in the mood to see some deported souls? Did I?
Deported what? Ugonne, please. I love you so much. Give me a chance to prove my love to you.
Take a good look at me. Now take a proper good look at me.
I saw the woman.
Do I look like all those retarded urchins that need your love and care? Your cheap love? Do I?
Ugonne, I know that you don't love me. I understand very well. But I want you to give me benefit of doubt by giving me your heart. I promise to love you and never hurt you like other guys in the past. Please.
Listen attentively. I can understand you're a daft, but I will never, ever give you the opportunity to be in my life. Not when I am alive. Now do yourself a favor. Don't you ever take this leg of this Benz of yours into my compound again. The next time I will see you here, I'll release the dogs, the Rottweilers, to feed on your soul and send your carcass to the oceans. Get your hands off me. Are you crazy? How dare you? Are you not? Do you think this is some cheap white linen? Are you crazy? How dare you touch me with that cursed hands of yours? Look at his hands. Looking like those ancient hands they used in farming in those days. Idiot. God punish you.
You slapped
barbaric bastard. I will slap you again and again if you don't leave my sight. I will slap you into a fair complexion like me if you don't leave my sight right now. Get out! Get out!
Oh, Ashwa, we spent 120 million naira in milk production. We spent 78 million naira in table and sachet water production all over the country. We also spent another 400 million naira in livestock production, and then 390 million naira in our cement factory, and we have actually experienced a lot of...
Don't you think it will make more sense if you channel this energy into getting married and giving me grandchildren?
How do you mean?
What I mean is, I need grandchildren. I want grandchildren. So get married and give me my grandchildren. That's all on my mind. I don't have time for this, your long list of what you have invested and how much you have made at the end of the day.
Mom, I am discussing about an integral part of this family. The business.
I know you're talking about business. But right now, I do not have time for that any longer.
I insist. You went too far by slapping him. And that's not good. Well, that's have some rights. You are wrong, Ugonne. And you need to go back there and apologize to him. You must be dreaming, aren't you? That I, Ugonne, Ilonze should go and apologize to Joe. You must be dreaming.
Ugonne, can I ask you a question?
What?
Do you want to remain single all your life?
Well, coming from the experience I have with men, I have decided to forget about them and focus on my career. Yes, you know men are distraction. and I don't want to be distracted.
Gone.
What?
A man in your life will compliment you.
Pat,
I need you to know that.
Can we just change this topic, please? I am sick and I am tired of talking about a man who should be chilling in the oceans with some sharks. I have a lot of work to do before going to work later in the day. Please.
That's all you know. Work, 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 work. You think your life is all about work?
No, I never said so. Neither did I say my life depends around Joe or any other man. So please, can I go now?
What exactly do you want?
You want the file, right? Come to my room and get it. I'm done with this.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I am shocked that you would say this family does not need business at this moment.
But that is the truth.
I totally disagree with you, Mom. What this family needs right now is an immeasurable amount of wealth that will last to the fifth generation.
Fifth generation, you say?
Yes, Mom.
Now, how will this fifth generation come when you and your sister have decided not to marry?
Oh my God. Mom, I never said I would not get married. Let me reassure you that I will get married. But for now, I want to amass so much wealth for this family and the generation unborn.
There's something you're missing here. And I think this is the time to educate you on that. I never wanted to tell you, but situation and circumstance has brought it to the front burner. Your father left properties worth about 15 billion naira before he passed on. He didn't stop there. He left up to the tune of 9 billion naira in 4 different banks. Now, Brown, let me tell you the power of 1 billion naira. If you wake up every morning and decide to spend 100,000 naira for 1 full year, that is 365 days, you have only spent 36 million naira. You have not spent $250 million. Now take up your calculator and calculate how many years it will take you to spend 1 billion naira. That is if you decide to spend 100,000 naira every day. Dear son, it will take you 20-something years to finish 1 billion naira. That is if you decide to spend 100,000 naira every day, like I said. Now you see, son, the money you think you're making is nothing compared to what your father has labored for and left behind. My dear son, you see, we are rich. Please, give me grandchildren. Create a lineage that we enjoy what we have labored for. That's all I ask of you. Please.
Baby!
What are you still doing here?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am talking to you. What exactly are you still doing here?
I don't understand your question.
I paid you off before going to see my mother, and that simply means that your services here are no longer needed.
And what services are you talking about?
The services of warming my bed, that's what I'm talking about.
Brown, you just insulted me, and I would really appreciate it if you withdraw what you just said to me right now.
And if I don't withdraw it, what would you do? Go back into the... Pick your things and get the hell out of my house. I don't want to repeat myself.
What is wrong with him? He was happy before going out to meet his mom, and now he's back angry. I need to find out what to do. Hey! Hey!
What are you doing?
I am working on a document that needs to get to my regional manager before 12 noon.
Is it work you're going to do all your life?
I don't understand, Mom.
What I mean is, don't you have any other thing to do with this your beautiful life?
Of course I do. I have a lot of beautiful things to do with my life. But first, I have to get to the pinnacle of my career. And then every other thing can follow suit.
Can I ask you a question?
Why not?
You're working for money, right?
Yes, I am. Like I said, I want to get to the pinnacle of my career and to also leave a legacy for my unborn generation.
That is the point. That is the point. The unborn generation.
You've done nothing wrong.
Then why did you choose to discard me in such manner?
How exactly am I supposed to let you know that your services here are no longer needed?
Let me get this right. Brown, did you bring me to your house with the belief that I am a street girl who you sleep with and discard at will?
Isn't that who you are?
You would be very stupid for saying that. I said, you are very stupid. Extremely stupid at that.
I don't want to get angry with you. If I get angry, you will not like what I'll do. I'm asking you calmly now. Go upstairs, pick all your things, and get the hell out of my house.
Fine! I would leave. Excuse me. And for the records, I am not a cheap girl. That I opened my legs for you does not mean I am a cheap person. I was thinking things will work out between us. Little did I know that you are nothing but a fool. A child who thinks that everything is about money. Nonsense.
It's a player. It's a player. It's a player. It's a player. It's the type that never fall in love. It goes by an instant.
You're positioning yourself to make all the money. To what end?
I don't understand, Mom.
After building all this reputation and making all the money, what happens?
Well, my children will be enjoying my wealth, just like we are enjoying what Father left for us.
Where are the children, if I may ask, that will enjoy this money?
They're not yet here, Mother, but I'm sure they'll be here someday.
Gunne, how old are you?
Mother, why are you asking me all those questions?
You do understand. So answer me.
I'm 29.
In 2 months, you'll be 30 years. And once you hit 30 years, you are staring at menopause in the face.
That's not true, Mom. It is scientifically proven that menopause starts at the age of 40. In fact, some women still give birth at the age of 50 and above.
Run away from false paradise. Recent research on women productivity has shown that some women hit menopause at age 35. Who knows if you're among these women?
God forbid.
Amen.
I can never be among them, Mom.
Don't decide yet until you hit 35 and above. Ogonne, motherhood is sweeter when you give birth at young age. This time you have all the strength to take care of your children. And even giving birth is easier. Let me tell you, you are close to this range. So think, age is not on your side.
I'm sorry about the way she treated you.
Ugonne slapped me.
I am sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't take it to heart. Please.
Why won't I? Is it a crime to love her?
It's not. It's not a crime to love her. I keep telling you that.
Then why is she treating me like I am a nobody? Why?
I'm so sorry. I promise you it will be sorted out.
My
I
dear,
promise.
this is the thing that you have been telling me. You will sort it out, yet nothing has changed.
Joe, trust me. I've been talking to her. I've been talking to Ogunne about you. I don't know why she's so difficult.
You have been talking to her, and why is she not responding?
I don't know. But I'll keep talking to her. I'll keep talking to her.
Then I will approach her mother.
Good idea. That's great. Look, her mother has a huge influence on her. If you can approach her, then it's perfect. If you can't, just go ahead.
I've never been embarrassed my whole life.
What happened? What's going on?
It's not your brother. He threw me out of his house.
My brother threw you out of the house.
Yes, he did.
No, my brother wasn't even brought up that way.
So that means you are seeing me as a liar.
No, I'm not saying you're a liar. But why would my... Okay, fine. What did you do?
Honestly speaking, I didn't do anything. He went to see your mom only for him to come back to the house and ask me to leave.
Just like that?
I'm serious.
This whole thing doesn't make sense to me. You know what? Just get into the car. Let's resolve this. Get into the car. Let's talk, please. I beg you.
Okay.
Manager, I got your email last night, but I wanted us to see in person so that we can discuss this further. What exactly were you trying to explain in that email?
So I want some of our production plant to be shut down.
Why?
The increment in raw materials is getting much higher, and if we increase our money for our customers, it will make them move to our competitors, and that's bad for business.
Shutting down production plant completely will also make us lose all our customers. Don't you think so?
So what do you suggest we do?
Give me some time to think about this very well. I'm sure we'll figure out a way around it.
Okay.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. How are you?
Thank you.
Sit.
Thank you so much.
I want us to have a direct discussion so both of you can go back to your offices for the business of the day. I had planned this discussion for the weekend, but I cannot wait any longer.
Ma, hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well. Why are you not talking to your friends, Ugonne and Brown, to marry and have their own children? Why? Or I am sure both of you are married. Are you not enjoying being married?
I am happy in my marriage, Mom.
Good.
Same here.
Good. So why are you not talking to them? Why are you not talking to them to get married and have me grandchildren? Are you happy with the way they are going?
Truth is, I have been talking to Ugonne about this.
Mm-hmm.
We had the same conversation yesterday. And I'm very sure with time, she will do the needful.
My dear, time is what I don't have. I don't have time. When it comes to them getting married, I do not have the time. I need them to get married and give me grandchildren. I mean, at this stage of my life, I do not have any grandchildren. I mean.
Oh. Ma, we will make them see reason why they should get married as soon as possible.
Making them see reason is not enough. I mean, push it down their throats. Let them be choked with that discussion. Let them know that it's very important at this time for them to get married. I must be honest with you. I am ashamed that I do not have grandchildren. I'm ashamed.
Mom, please, it's okay. I'll keep talking to her, please. It's okay.
The lecture today was so hectic. I swear to God.
I know, right?
Now that lecturer, that man, that Chris. Wait, do you notice that girl?
Which girl?
That girl was hiring me now.
Which girl? Which
Choma,
girl?
Choma.
Choma. Okay, go collect money. No waste time. Now. Go and collect money. Give me my own share.
I go collect money.
No, if I catch her. I catch her.
Babe, guess what?
You scored 30% in your test.
No.
Your mom sent you money.
No.
Then what? Tell me, I can't guess.
I'll be going home by weekend.
You already told me.
And you are going home with me.
Did I do anything?
No.
Then why does she want to see me?
The reason's best known to her. So by weekend, we move.
What is our offense?
Can we talk about something more important, please?
There is nothing as important as what we are discussing now, so talk to me.
She did not offend me.
So why did you treat her the way you did?
Well, I don't think she's in my class.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
Were you not the one who asked me to link both of you that you liked her so much?
Yes, I was the one who asked you to link me up with her.
So why are you saying she's not your class?
Well, she's not the kind of person I want to settle down with.
If this is a joke, Brown, you better stop it. How can you say she's not the kind of girl you want to settle down with?
Don't you think you're beginning to stretch this matter too far? I have made my decision and it's final.
So, are you saying you no longer see what you saw in her the very day you visited me?
Yes, I have moved on and I would suggest you let her know too that she needs to move on.
Now you see why I hate guys. All they want is to take advantage of girls and they walk away. All of you are same.
Hey, kid sis, you're shouting.
This singular act of yours has destroyed my good relationship with Rose. Thank you so much,
Hello?
elder brother.
Hello? She just hung up on me. What was she even thinking? But I'll marry that. Come on. These girls are funny, man.
I want us to have a brief but conclusive discussion because I was busy inside before they called me.
Okay. I will make it brief. Ma, my name is Joe Onwebu. I am a civil engineer. I work with Centraco. I love your daughter Ugonne so much. I approach her for marriage. She keeps giving me attitude. The last time I visited this compound, she slapped me and asked me to leave. But I have forgiven her.
Good evening, Mom.
Why did you turn Joe down?
Did I hear you clearly?
Sure you heard me, Claire. Why did you do it?
Well, I can see that that's good for nothing. Retarded miscreant has come to report me to you.
Ugonne, how dare you call my prospective son-in-law for silly names?
Did I hear you say prospective son-in-law?
Sure, that's who he is.
And who is his wife, if I may ask?
His wife is going to be Ugonne Ilonze, the daughter of late Chief Benjamin Ilonze, the beautiful damsel standing before Madame Splendor.
Well, mother, you should be a very beautiful poet. Because I don't get it. The last time I checked, I never told you I wanted to get married. If at all I wanted to, or maybe I have changed my mind. Why do you think it's going to be Joe?
Sweetheart, you're going to get married. And it must be Joe. Okay?
And if I refuse, are you going to force me to get married to him?
We're going to force you. I'll force you to get married to Joe. Demi. Demi.
Then you should get ready for me. Because I am going to resist you with everything in me.
It's all right. You're trying, but you cannot be like Madame Splendor. You're getting married to Joe. Who the hell does she think she is?
Instruction is simple. Get married and settle down. That's what really matters for the family to move on.
I never knew you could be this romantic.
Why do you say that?
Everything you've talked about ever since I started talking to you on the phone has always been work, work, work.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't want to come off like that, but you see, I'm a very busy man and I cannot run away from it. But I'm sorry if you felt that way.
If you say so. So tell me more about yourself.
There's really nothing special about me. I'm just a young man striving to make ends meet. This is all of me. That's the truth. Why are you laughing?
You're funny.
Why do you say so?
So tell me more. Tell me more about your family. Tell me more about work. Tell me everything about you. Like everything. I want to know.
Okay. Well, I work in an office where I earn a living.
Okay.
My mother is still alive. I lost my father a couple of years ago. I have 2 siblings, a boy and a girl. That's it.
What a sharp and a smart way of avoiding to tell me about you. Yeah.
visit of that young man is all that I needed to perfect everything that I have planned on making sure Ogonne settles down with a man. What bothers me is that she does not know that she's getting old. I have a lot of plans for her, but the question is, which of them do I activate first? I get it. I know the exact plan to execute, and it is going to be a masterpiece. She's not getting away from this. She must get married and give me grandchildren. She must.
Helen.
Oh, I'm mopping the house.
I don't think there will be any need for that. I pay heavily for people to do this.
Oh, you can't compare that to mine.
I left you 100,000 naira on the bed. Please, take it and leave.
What?
Your services here are over, but it was nice having you around. But it's time for you to leave.
Wait, let me get this straight. Are you trying to pay me off as a runs girl or what?
Helen, listen. I would not want to have an argument with you. You heard me. Your services here are over. I'm about to go get something from the car. By the time I get back, I would expect that you are dressed and ready to leave.
Are you for real? Wait. Could he be joking? Or is he pulling my legs?
Good morning, Mom.
Have you made up your mind to marry Joe?
I don't understand, Mother. Could you be nice enough to at least answer my greetings this early morning?
There's nothing good in the greetings, so there's no point for a response. Have you made up your mind to marry him?
No.
You just think I'm joking with you?
Mother, are you serious right now? No, are you being serious? I don't even care if you're joking with me or not. For goodness sake, I do not have feelings for this guy. Don't you understand?
Oh, God, no, you don't need to love him.
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking. I'm telling you the pure truth. You go to church every Sunday. You hear pastors preach about marriages. Have you ever heard him say, women, love your husbands? No. It's husbands, love your wives. And wives, be submissive to your husband. That is the foundation upon which marriages are established.
Mother, if you actually think they're going to brainwash me to go and marry some guy that I do not have feelings for, then it is not going to work.
My dear, it's not a brainwash. I'm telling you the truth. You don't have any choice here.
Mother, please, if you do not mind, I am late for work. I'll see you when I'm back in the evening.
It's all right. The truth here is that Joe is coming with his people to ask for your hand in marriage. And you know what? I am giving my consent.
You what?
I am giving Joe and his people my consent to marry you.
It's the time that never falls. stand. Then he feels disgusted for the lady, and he will never want to. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse, because that is his lifestyle. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse, because that is his lifestyle. He's a player. He's a player. He's a player. He's a player.
When mother is trying to drive me nuts.
How do you mean?
Mother is insisting that I have to get married to Joe, and I don't know why.
Maybe he's the right person for you.
Why would you even say that? He is not the right person for me. Not even my brother. All men are same.
Why are you bringing your brother into this?
Yes.
What has he got to do with this conversation?
My brother has got a whole lot to do with this. Take him for instance. I know how he was begging me, pleading with me, doing everything possible, buying me all expensive gifts, just for me to introduce him to my best family, to my friend Rose. Afterwards, what happened? You let have seen the way he chased her out of the house in a very embarrassing manner.
That's so bad of him.
Very.
Why would he treat a lady like that?
I don't know.
That's notwithstanding. Joe might still be the right person for you.
I reject it.
Babe, take me for instance. I met my husband back in school. We remained friends and lovers until I graduated. And afterwards, today, we are married, happily married.
Oh God, please. I beg you in the name of God. Don't you ever compare that God sent with all those millipedes that call themselves men. Don't. Listen, if I have a man that is close to your husband's perfection, asking for my hand in marriage, I wouldn't even think about it twice. Hello?
Joe might be better. All you just need to do is give him a chance.
Do you know what? Enough of this discussion, please. If you don't mind, let's go to work.
Yes, we are late already. We have a lot of talking to do while we drive.
Hey, baby.
What are you still doing here? Did I not tell you that I wanted you dressed and ready to leave before I come back here? Did I not say that?
I'm not going anywhere.
Helen! Helen! Listen to me. I can be a very gentleman when I want to. I don't want you to see the other side of me, because I can be very rough. Take your things and leave right now.
I tell you, I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere. Okay.
What has come over you, bro? What has come over you? Leave me alone, leave me alone.
Leave this place now.
Okay, fine. Allow me to go inside and take my clothes.
I gave you the opportunity to go upstairs and take your clothes, but you did not agree. So right now you have blown that opportunity. Leave this place right now.
But you cannot just throw me out like this now.
Shut up and leave this place right now.
Naked like this
I
now.
don't care.
It's
Just
not
leave.
fair. What have I
I don't care.
done?
Leave here. No! What is going on?
Thank God someone is here. I don't know what has come over him.
Now, what is it? What is going on? I just want her to leave my compound right now.
No, you can't throw her out like this.
I don't care.
Brown, you need to care because this is a woman. What has come over you?
I gave her the opportunity to go up there, take her clothes and leave, but she did not take it. I'm not joking. She thought I was joking, but I'm not joking. Leave this compound right now.
Brown, wait. It will be very unfair for you to throw this girl out like this. This is a woman, of course.
Edmund, stay out of my business, okay? Stay out of my way.
Brown,
I want this girl out of this house
Brown,
now.
wait. I will not allow you to throw this girl out of this house like this. You should give her the time to go inside and change up to something good, something better, not this one. You have 3 minutes. You have only 3 minutes to go up there, get dressed, and leave this house right now. Go ahead and do that fast. Now, go.
There is not a laughing matter, Pat. I don't even know why you're laughing.
I know, but it sounds funny.
Okay. Yes, it does sound funny.
So, what are you going to do?
I am not going to let my mother force a man that I do not love on me. It will never happen.
That's why I'm asking you, what are you going
Reject
to do?
the imposition, of course.
Even when you know the kind of woman your mother is?
Yes, I know the kind of woman my mother is. I know she's a goal-getter. She always achieves whatever she puts or sets her mind to. Either hook or by crook. But this time around, it will not work on me. It won't.
Ogoni, let me ask you a question. We have about 4 men asking for your hand in marriage. Now my question is, which of them do you love?
None of them.
None of them.
None.
You see why your mother is trying to tie Joe to your neck? You see?
Well, it's not going to work. It's a pity.
Look, we are talking about your mother, Madam Splendor, Munyodogu undiluted.
Yes, I still don't care.
You have to care. I mean, you need to care. You know who we are talking about. So you need to care.
Like I said, I don't care.
Hey, babe, with the way you're going here, you're going to be locked in a long battle with your mother. I see it coming. Seriously.
Please, let's talk about something else.
This is definitely going to be by fire, by force marriage. And I'm loving it.
Seriously.
Joe, we are winning.
You're silly. You're sick.
Oh my goodness. I see why your face was like that. Nice. I like it when your mother is giving it to you, but and she's giving you hot because that's what you need at this moment. That's what you need, for real.
Well, no matter what you guys do, you're not getting married to that next week. That crooked urchin, I will never.
I see how it goes. I'll be here watching. I'll be behind the scene.
Your stupid questions have missed my game.
Wait, did we really miss our way?
No, you did not reach your way.
See why you need to marry Joe. You see why you need to marry Joe. Imagine that you woke up in Joe's house. You won't be this confused. You see?
I don't have your time.
Brian, what did she do?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? She did nothing and you are throwing her out of your house like that?
Okay. I paid for her services. And when she was done rendering her services, I asked her to leave, but she refused.
I don't get it. Brown, don't tell me you're still living this kind of a life. Bring a girl to your house, sleep with her and pay her off. Brown!
I am deeply rooted in that.
Listen,
that's how I roll.
Brown, listen to me. Your mom is really worried.
Yeah, I know. But guess what? I don't care.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Now, Brown, let me ask you. You're my friend. What stops you from, looking for a girl, settle down with her, make her your wife? What stops you from doing that?
I have not found my spec.
Are you kidding me? Brown, are you kidding me? Brown, in a week, you bring more than 5 girls into this house. Let's multiply it in 1 month. That's approximately 20 girls. Listen, Brown, It is only a man who has eye problem that will not see his speck among the 20 girls. What is wrong with you? What has come over you, Brown? Listen, this is not a laughing matter. Brown, stop. Stop, I am serious.
Oh my God.
Brown, your mom is worried. Look for a girl and settle down as a man.
Edmond, why are you disturbing your life? If you see someone who is having fun and enjoying his life, why don't you just let that person be?
I will not let you.
I am enjoying my life. I think you should do the same.
I will not let you be. That is not enjoyment, Brown. Your mom is worried, like I said before now. Look for a wife and settle down. Or do you have a problem? Do you have a problem why you don't want to get married? Then get married. Get married.
I am just enjoying my life.
This is not enjoyment.
It's a play. It's a play. It's a play. It's the time that never fall in love. It goes by and I stand. Then he feels disgusted for the lady, and he never want you. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle. It's a play. 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 It's the time that never fall in love. It goes by and I stand. Then he feels disgusted for the lady, and he never want you. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle.
Oh, what is in here? What am I seeing here?
Mommy.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Who is she?
Oh, Mom. Her name is Juliet.
I didn't ask you for her. Your girlfriend. The one you told me about?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, you're welcome to our home. Come on. Come on. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, take her to the guest room.
Okay, Mom.
While I take care of some things.
All right, Mom.
All right.
Let's go.
Your mom is a nice person.
Yeah, I know.
Just that she accepted me so easily.
Would you have preferred it to be a long journey?
Not really. I mean, she was supposed to. I don't know. I just...
Relax, okay? Everything is under control. Alright?
Okay, I know.
Good. Let's go.
That is exactly the kind of thing I expect from Brown and Ogonne. That girl is beautiful and intelligent. It would be good if she becomes a daughter-in-law. But Emma is still in school and too young to walk in the path of marriage. What do I do? What do I do to keep that girl permanently attached to him till he's done with school and then marry her? Yes, I get it. And that is exactly what I am going to do. You're welcome to our home once again, Juliet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me more about you.
There is nothing much about me.
Just something. Just tell me something.
My name is Juliet, you already know. I'm from Abia State, family of 3. Student of a state university, computer science. That's all I can say for now, ma'am.
Wow. What a short way of introducing yourself.
I was going to say that, but it's okay. It's okay. Can I ask you for a favor?
Sure, ma'am. Go ahead.
Please. I want you to hold whatever you have with my son separate. Do not leave him, even at point of provocation.
Ma, I love him so much, and nothing in this world will ever make me leave him.
Is that a promise?
Yes. And it's from the deepest part of my heart.
Good. Okay. I want you to be my friend.
I don't understand.
Okay, what I mean is, I'll give you my mobile number. You give me yours so I can check on you from time to time. Do you have a problem with that?
No, I accept.
That's good. Enjoy your food.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Listen, I want you to forget about my brother, please.
Why?
Because it is quite obvious my brother just wanted what was in between your legs, and you've given it to him.
What did he say I did to him?
He didn't say anything exactly to justify his actions. Just forget about him.
So your brother used and dumped me?
Come on. That another man dumped you doesn't mean another man can't pick you up. You understand? It's dump and pick. It's not properly, it's not like dump for life. It's not the end of what? Listen, honey, you need to pick up the shackles of your life. You need to move on. You need to show him that you're big. You know? Forget about him. He's not even worth you.
You know what? It's okay. It's fine. I'll move on. I have to go now.
No worry. I'll drop you off.
No. Don't bother. My house is just close by. I'll manage.
No, I insist. I have to drop you off.
No, thank you.
That girl is a treasure you must cherish.
I know, Mom.
You have to try everything possible to make sure she's happy.
I will always try my best, Mom.
It's okay. At any point you feel that your best is no longer good to keep her, don't hesitate to bring me in.
Sure, Mom, I will.
As a matter of fact, I want you to marry her. Yes.
Mom.
I just said my mind.
I know, Mom, but marriage is the last thing on my mind right now. I am young and still in school.
Don't mind me. I was only teasing you.
Oh, Mom.
You can go back to her.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
It's all right. Take good care of her.
Mom, I love you.
You're happy. Thank you. If there's anything she needs, just do let me know, okay?
Okay, Mom.
All right.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
Mommy, good evening.
Good evening.
I'm actually coming from your room. And it was so just you're not there.
As you can see, I'm here.
I would like to have a chat with you.
Sit down.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm listening.
It's actually because of the marriage stuff, and
What about it?
I have given it a thought. And I have also decided to give marriage a chance, but definitely not now. I just need some time, Mother, please.
You see, they call me Madam Splendor. And I can see you do not know the meaning of that. But I'm going to teach you in a strange way the meaning of Madam Splendor.
Mother, I'm not asking for too much. I'm just asking for some time. I need to get to the pinnacle of my career. That's all I'm asking for.
That time is what I don't have. You have to settle down and get married. And the man who fits in has already shown up. So you have to give him the chance immediately.
Instruction is simple. Get married and settle down. That's what really matters. For the family to move on. That's what we need. Then that's what should be done. Make it a priority. We will be okay. Whoa.
I can't thank you enough, my love. Bringing me to your house shows that you love me so much. And I won't take this love for granted.
It is nothing, my dear.
Thank you once again.
You are welcome, my love.
I promise to love you forever and cherish you. And nothing in this world will ever make me leave you.
Is that a promise?
Yes. From the deepest part of my heart.
I love you too. And I promise that nothing in this life will ever make me to leave you. Okay?
Are you sure?
Very sure.
It's the time that never fall in love. just by a nightstand. Then he feels disgusted for the lady, and he will never want you. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse, because that is his lifestyle. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse, because that is his lifestyle. He's a player. 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 He's a player.
Hello, Joe. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Joe, I need us to see.
When do you prefer?
Tomorrow will be fine.
Tomorrow? Okay, very fine, very fine. What time?
4 p.m. 4 p.m. is okay by me.
4 p.m. is okay? Okay, thank you so much, ma. 4 p.m. on the dot, I will be in your house.
Okay then. See you tomorrow. Bye then. Ugonne thinks I'm joking. Before her very eyes, I will marry her out to Joe. And they will live happily.
What are you doing here?
I came to find out why you discarded me the way you did.
I answered this question the last time you were here.
Well, I'm not satisfied. That is why I came back again.
It's actually 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm supposed to be in the office. Please, leave.
Bro, please, whatever it is I've done wrong, just forgive me, please. I'm begging you. Please.
Please just get out. Get out.
Whatever thing that you hold sacred, I'm begging you on it. Just forgive me, please. Please, bro.
If I go late to the office, I will not be happy with you. Stand up and leave this place, else I will drag you out myself.
Fine! I would leave.
It's a player. It's a player.
Yes,
It's a player.
Okay, excuse me. You go nowhere. No. Why? It's kind of busy inside. I mean, it's meditating. Don't worry, I know that. Just tell me he's with another woman inside there. Hey! What are you doing here?
I don't have your time.
I'm talking to you. How dare you try to walk out on me? Are you mad?
Did you just touch me?
Yes. And I will do worse than that if you try to walk out on me again. See, let me tell you. Brown is mine. And I don't want to ever see you here again.
Okay. You can have him. You will never see me again.
Oh, please run along. Bye.
And you see this man you are fighting over. By the time he shows you his true identity, I assure you, you will regret it, baby girl.
There will be no regrets, baby. Brown is mine. He loves me and I love him too. Bye. Hello, darling.
Did you girls have a meeting to ruin my morning?
What are you talking about?
I want you out of this place now.
The last time I came, you were very angry and did not want to hear from me. So I came again believing that by now you must have, calmed down.
I'm going to count to 10. And by the time I get to 10, I want you out of this place so I don't do something I will regret.
Come.
What?
Don't you like what you say?
Look, just in case you do not understand. If I sleep with you once, I will not sleep with you again. What? Once I chop you, I can't chop you again.
Did you just say that to me?
I just said that. I'm sure when you were walking into this compound, you saw a lady leaving. I've chopped her, and I will never chop her again. So if I chop you once, get out so that other people can come, I can chop them.
Chop me again. One more time.
They will chop you. Are you crazy? Chop you one more time, and what happens? Get out of this. Get out. One more time. Get out of this place. Chop you one more time.
It's a plan. It's a plan. It's a plan. It's the time that never fall in love. It goes by and I stand. Then he feels disgusted for the lady, and he will never want to.
Nana!
It's so bad to treat a lady.
Nana!
But he
Come here.
because that is his lifestyle.
Why did I allow those girls into this compound without my permission?
Those girls, okay, see, look at you. You don't think why they inside my house. They pray, so that God will help you. So that as you choose, you go see one person where you go settle down with. Don't make me just allow them to pass.
Shut up. Nana, since when did my affairs become your business? Since when did my affairs become your business? That you will allow people into this compound without my permission? Nana,
yes,
if it ever happens again, I promise you will lose your job that day.
God, please, can happen.
You will not only lose your job that day, but I promise that you will spend so many days in the police cell. I'm promising you, Makachuku, go and open that gate.
It's a plan. It's a plan. It's a plan. It's the time that never fall in love. It goes by and I stand. Then he feels disgusted for the lady, and he will never want to. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle.
Beautiful one. You sent for me?
Yes. And I will be going straight to the point.
It's okay. I am here.
I am offering you 3 million naira to stay away from my life.
I don't understand.
You do understand. It is quite obvious that you want to marry me because of the money. You are nothing but a gold digger. So I am giving you this offer.
Ogonne, you just insulted me right now. But I will let it be because I love you so much.
5 million. With a brand new Lexus XUV.
Ogonne, even if you offer me 100 million with the latest Rolls Royce, I am not going to take. I love you so much, and I won't let you for another man. I will make you my wife in the nearest future.
You know, you are really dreaming. At this point, you should wake up from this your stupid dream. You should wake up from your slumber because it will never come to pass. If I were you, I will take up this offer and go make my life meaningful.
It's alright. Let us watch and see. Thank you for the insult.
He's really got some guts. Like, It annoys me. You're going to be my wife someday.
Hey! Look who we have here, everyone, my man. Bro, how you doing, bro? What's up, bro? I'm fine. And you? Okay, listen. How's it going, man? It's been a while, though. What's been happening to you?
I'm okay.
It's good.
Bro,
Yeah.
I was at your place yesterday.
Yesterday.
You were drowning in alcohol with an irresponsible girl lying beside you.
Oh my God. Edmund, it was just one of those days. I've not partied in a very long time, so I decided to switch it up. Just party. That was all. You came around?
Yes, I did. Brown, how long are you going to continue living this kind of lifestyle? How long?
Oh my God. Edmund, I hope you did not come here to take me on one of those moral classes. Honestly, I'm not caught out for that right now. Stop policing me, please. Okay?
Brown, you're not getting any younger. Listen, look for a responsible girl, get married to her and build a home with her. Use the strength you're using all these girls you sleep with and dump. Use it to build your own home. Use it on your wife.
If you're bothered about energy, if you're bothered about strength, well, I don't think you should worry too much. I am an embodiment of energy. The finish. The inside me, yakba.
Brown, can you be serious for once? Can you be serious for once?
How else do you want me to be serious? I'm serious now. You can't think all this one. You don't start again. I swear to God, anytime you come around like this, it does always make me feel like I'm a bad and terrible person. Can we just not talk about this? I mean, we should be talking about something else, like, what do you want to drink? Can I offer you something to drink? Can I actually get the secretary to get you something to drink?
Oh, I did not come here to drink. Why do you like playing with serious issues like this, bro? Okay, I want you to promise me that this girl, you will be serious with her.
I promise.
You will not sleep with her and dump her like you do other girls.
On my life, I am very serious with you. Bring her. When are you bringing her?
Weekend.
Weekend is fine. Weekend is just okay. Just tell me whatever you want to drink. I will give you a bottle of it. A full bottle. What you will drink?
Get married and settle down. That's what really matters. For the family to move on. That's what we need. And that's what should be done. Make it a priority. We will be okay. Say money no be problem. We get some low. No need to hustle. Say oh wanna be problem. Hey, we get some.
You know he's the right man for you, right?
Do you know where I'm coming from?
You know me too well, so there's no point asking such question.
Mother, what are you playing at?
You'll find out soon.
No matter what you do, Mom, I will never marry Joe.
It's already happening, so there's no point for this argument.
Let's watch and see.
Okay then. Here, I'm right behind you because I'm going to face your brother, since that is what both of you want. Rubbish.
Oh, this is beautiful.
I swear to God. Just imagine. Just look at this one. Look at.
What? So it's been you. Oh my goodness. Do you know where I've been hearing your voice from? It's quite obvious you guys are having so much fun.
Sister Ebele, you're welcome.
Thank you. So, he's taking care of you, right? You're good?
Yes.
I can see that. So when are you going back to school?
Tomorrow next.
Tomorrow. Yes. Okay. When you're done, just come to my room. I have something to give to you.
Thank you.
Sister, what about me?
Who are you? The last time I checked. Do you even exist? Ah, come on. I was just joking. Both of you can come later before you faint.
Yeah. Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Hey.
Everyone in the family is so nice.
Yeah. It is a culture in our family to be nice to our visitors.
I can say that again.
Yeah.
You sure you don't want anything to drink?
Not at all.
What about food?
For now, no. Maybe when we are done with the meeting,
Okay.
I can take something.
Okay. Now I want to ask you, how much do you love my daughter?
I love Ugonne so much.
Now, if I support your marriage to my daughter, are you ready to love and cherish her all the days of your life?
Yes, I will do.
What if at a point you start doing the opposite of what you're just promising me?
Ma, I know you to be very influential. You can pull strings in this town and beyond.
Interesting. But Joe, I asked a question and I need a specific answer. If you change along the line and you begin to do things contrary to what you're just promising me, what happens to you?
Then deal with me as you wish.
Okay. I'm sure you know that the spirits are aware of our discussions.
I am very much aware, ma'am.
All right. So now, when are you bringing your uncles for introduction?
Is it?
I'm not comfortable with this place.
Forget about this place, you are safe. You said you have a business for us.
Yes. Take a look at this food.
Zero. What exactly do you want?
I want him dead.
What is this?
He toyed with my heart. He played with my emotions. No one does that and lives to tell the story. See, if you guys do a neat job, I will reward you 500k.
Wow. I'm going to miss you people.
I'll miss you more.
I in particular will miss you more.
I know. I'll miss you specially. But I need you to promise me you will always visit.
Sure, Mom. We will always visit, right?
Yeah, sure.
It's okay. Emma, go to my room, check the drawers. You'll see some money there. Bring from the local currency for my baby Juliet.
All right, Mom.
Make sure you always visit, whether it's coming with you or not, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Here's the money, Mom.
Okay. Should have brought more than this now. I gave you an open check and this is because it's not your money. What can she buy with this? No problem, my dear. Here, for your transport.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's all right then. When you get back to school, send me your account details, okay? So I can wire some money to you.
All right, ma'am.
Mommy, we'll start doing.
Alrighty. Okay, very nice.
Thank you very much, Mom.
Where are your bags?
Oh, Mom, the cabman is waiting for us outside.
Also, your bags are already there.
Yes, Mom.
Alrighty.
All right, Mom, take care of
Bye.
yourself, okay?
I will. Bye.
Afana. Which is so?
Omo, I don't sleep well for night. So wetin make you no sleep? I be drink too much last night.
What do you yarn like that? You know say I know they do drink much. This matter now we wan run. How do we proceed? This mission dey impossible.
No, they talk that kind. We shall be saying mission dey impossible. Mission wey don't settle finish. Everywhere good now.
Zero. You won't tell me say you no recognize the face of that man wey dey that picture.
But I recognize the face, but still we na businessmen. You don't understand.
Zero, forget business. Bro, forget business. You don't know say Oga Brand don't help us for this life.
Even as that.
You know if you run the matter, God, you know if you run am. No if you run am.
Why now? Why no fit run matter? Why they dumb my spirit now?
Hey, Zero. So you won't tell me say you won't throw away waiting this man don't run for because of 500 ba?
Baba, the point is that I need money. I need money badly, and I can't buy any person just to get this money. No,
forget money! I forget money, God. See, you get something where you know they even remember. We big passos if you try.
Waiting be that. Follow me talk.
Fine. Oga Brand, my system man. Touching this man, bro, he go trigger heat from different confraternity for this time. And Zero, you and me, if you know their life to talk on.
You dey talk inside there say matter deal. So how far now? I want me be now. Follow me talk, man, for understand.
I head full. I say I confused like this. I swear.
Matter long.
Hey, Ima.
Good morning, brother. Good morning, bro.
Good morning. Look at you. When did you come into town?
Last weekend.
Last weekend.
Yeah.
And you did not call me or even bother to pay me a visit.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, brother. But Mom wouldn't let me out of her sight for a second.
As usual, you and your mom. She never ever lets you out of her sight. That's okay, no wahala. Anyway, I hope you know you're not going home today because we're partying tonight.
Brother Brown.
Yeah.
You and party, you and club.
Brother, what thing I go talk, what thing we go do? You know what they say now, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
Oh yeah, but Brother Brown, I would have loved to go out with you. But as you can see, I am going back to school today.
Are you serious?
I am serious. As a matter of fact, I have quiz tomorrow by 9 a.m.
You're going back to school tomorrow and you came to see me today. Why did you come here then?
Come on, Brother Brown. Come on. I came to see you. It's been a while.
You came to see me?
Yeah.
You came into town last week and you're just coming to see me. And now you're telling me you're going back to school. No wahala, Sha. I'll just, I already know that you don't care about me. There's nothing that I do that you people ever get concerned about.
You know I care about you so much. You know that. Huh? Okay. Let's do it. Do you know what? When next I visit, I will spend the weekend at your place.
Promise.
Promise.
Nice one, man. So what's next? You need to get some things, right?
Yeah, but I'll start going because the cab man is waiting for me outside.
Oh, alright. Take this. This is for you. And this is for the girls.
Bro. Stop telling me.
I better go have fun, man. Have fun in school.
Thank you very much, man.
I did the same thing when I was in school too, you know? Let me get this straight. Rose hired you two to kill me.
Yes, she did.
Did she tell you two why?
Yes, the band say you break her heart. So for that reason, more can harvest your own heart so that you know if you get mad talk within the soul.
Oh, no, if you run am normally when I see your bros, your face show.
Men like us no feel the kill our fellow man because of one band like that. She understand, you know the person.
How much did she pay you?
500k.
500k each or 500k for the two of you?
Choice.
I'll give you 1 million naira each. I'll surprise you further for not listening to that foolish girl.
Baba Brown, normally me I believe you, you understand? So now I will just change everything. Nothing is so we match you and we'll still give you more information.
Good. What will you guys be doing tonight? I want us to go to the club and party.
Normally, I did already. Skin food.
Club normally in my house, now where they do every that, so we did with you full time, bro.
Okay. So whose account am I sending the money?
Okay, John Overs, if you using me pen and paper on the card.
Call the account number.
22.
Hey. Hi, girlfriend. What are you doing here by this time? You of all people.
I know, right?
Yes, what are you doing here?
Just that the news is too good and it's shocking me like fresh wine.
Really?
Babe!
What news are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Well, if I do, I wouldn't be asking.
I'm talking about you finally accepting to marry Joe. I mean, this is good.
Are you kidding me right now? Are you serious? Where did you get that news from? I don't even get it. I mean, me, Ogoni, getting married to Joe. That must be the biggest joke of the century.
You know what? There are things you can't hide from me. And this is definitely one of them.
You of all people should know that if there is something like this that should be existing, you should be the first person to know about it.
Wait a minute. Are you trying to say you are not aware that Joe and his people are coming to see your mother tomorrow for marriage introduction?
Oh, goodness me. You know, you guys really think I'm some puppy that you just blah bingo? That's me, right? Like I said, I, Ogune, will never, ever marry Joe. But the news is everywhere. Well, that's beautiful. What do you expect?
That's what really matters for the family to move on. That's what we need, and that's what should be done. Make it a priority. We will be okay. Whoa.
You will always try, but it will never work. You know who I am? I run this town. Okay? I have my eyes and my ears everywhere in this town. I have boys all over. And rather than them do your biddings, they will stand by me all the days of their life.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about sending zero and pencil after my life.
Me? Sent men to kill you? I don't know what you're talking about. Besides, I've moved on.
Listen to me. Hey, listen to me. You are nothing but just a pretty liar. Okay? I know you sent those boys after me. But guess what? When next you send anybody after me, or any group after me, I promise you I will come after you like a wounded lion, and you will not survive it this time.
Get married and settle down. That's what really matters for the family to move on. That's what we need, and that's what should be done. Make it a priority. We will be okay. Whoa. You know, say money no be problem. We get some low. No need to hustle. You know, say
oh my God, bro, you came well.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beautiful. How are you?
Fine.
You look fine. Please sit.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mary, this is Brown, the guy I've been talking to you about. Brown, meet Mary.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Brown, I have to go and do some other things while you two get acquitted.
That's all right. But are you sure you don't want something to drink?
Oh, no, that wouldn't be possible. It's not even necessary. I have a lot of customers waiting for me at the shop right now. So I need to rush.
I've forgotten. Edmond the businessman.
I like this.
No problem.
All right, Mary.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
You take care of yourself, huh?
Take care.
All right, and then success in business today.
Yeah.
Well done, sweetheart. You mind if what you want? Can I offer you anything to drink?
Anything soft will be fine.
Anything soft, just like you, right?
Sure.
Please just sit back, relax.
Okay.
I'll join you soon.
All right.
Yes.
Yes, mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You've not been offered anything?
Yes, but we are fine.
No. You're going to be my son-in-law. So you should be offered something to eat or drink.
Okay.
Yes.
In that case, I think something to drink will be more better.
Okay. What about you, son?
Well, something to drink would be preferable.
Yes.
Norma. Sorry, I'll be back.
See, very beautiful and welcoming woman. I am lucky to have her as a mother-in-law. I can't wait to marry from this family.
That is good. Please, go and open the gate for me, please.
I cannot do it. I'm sorry. I cannot do it.
Just open the gate for me. I'll give you. I'll compensate you now. I'll give you 3 chicken on top of your food.
I cannot do it.
I will make sure. Okay, they will make it 4 chicken.
My mom instructed me not to.
I'll give you money.
I cannot do it, ma'am. I'm just so sorry.
Please now.
I'm sorry. I cannot lose my job.
Hey.
Now. I cannot lose my job.
You see why you can never make it as again? You will remain a gate man till you die. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Short. Ordinarily to open gate, you cannot open it.
Here you are smoking to stupor. When the man I asked you to end is walking freely in the streets.
That man, he ain't untouchable. You know if he touch him.
Really?
He's right.
Now that you cannot sneak out of the compound, go and serve your husband and his uncle. Then get back to your room. Get yourself prepared for the introduction.
I won't do that.
This is a discussion I do not want to have with you.
Like I said, I won't do that.
Okay. Let's see.
What are you trying to do, Mother?
You'll find out soon.
Mother, what are you trying to do?
Good morning, Mom. Good morning. This is Madam Splendor speaking.
How may I help you?
I need you to sack my daughter who is working in your conglomerate.
Why, Ma?
You asking me why? As in you do not want to sack her?
I will do that immediately.
Good. Thank you so much. I'll get back to you later.
Is that the least you can do, Mother? Is that all you can do?
Now you said you have a career to build. Now go ahead and build it. Let's see.
Yeah, sis, what's up? How you doing?
I am not fine. I'm not fine at all.
Why? What happened?
It's Mother. Mother is trying to force a man that I do not love on me.
Why would mommy want to do a thing like that? Why? What happened?
There's this guy that Mother wants to marry me off to. I don't love him. I don't even have any feelings for him. As I am talking to you right now, this guy is with his uncle in the house for introduction. And guess what? Mother already accepted that.
You mean they are in the living room right now?
Yes, I am telling you.
So, what am I supposed to do? What do you want me to do?
Please, I'm begging you. I want you to come over to the house. I want you to scatter everywhere. I want you to set everywhere ablaze. That way, Mother will not be able to marry me off to this man. Please. I hate this man so much. I swear. Are you coming?
Just think I'm joking. To dawn on you.
Mommy, please. Okay, I have accepted to marry him.
Then go and prepare to welcome them.
Okay, Mom, I will, but I need you to do me a favor. Mommy, call the CEO. Please, let them suspend the sack letter for now. I will go and become the...
Don't worry, I'll call the CEO. Hello?
Hello, Ma. The personal manager is preparing the sack letter. In 30 minutes time, Ugonne will be communicated, please.
Just hold on it, okay?
How do you mean, Ma, please?
Tell the personnel manager to suspend the sack letter for now. She don't write it yet.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I've done my part. So you go and do your part.
Okay, Mom, I will go. I'm going. Thank you, Mom.
She thinks I'm joking. It will dawn on you soon. You're marrying him.
Uncle. Why in Amma? She is my wife to be.
Hey!
Chim. Joe, you have eye for good things.
Yes.
Hey.
You can say that again.
My dear daughter, what is your name?
Ugonne.
Oh.
Ugonne.
Why? The most beautiful one.
Joe?
Yes.
Can I see you outside briefly?
Oh, I'm available.
Joe.
Come for you, though.
Yeah. I thought,
I want to ask you an honest question.
Please, go ahead, my love. I am listening.
Isn't it quite obvious that I don't love you? I mean, isn't it glaring enough?
I am not aware of that.
You're not aware of that? Well, I am telling you right now to your face that I do not love you and I will never love you.
Ugonne, I love you so much and there is nothing will stop me from loving you. You don't even need to love me. The love I have for you is more than enough for us.
Jesus. You know, I am still trying to deal with the stench from you. And now you are sounding like a miscreant. A foolish one at that.
Well, you can call me whatever you like, my love. Like they say, when a man is in love, another fool is born.
Oh my God, please, can you just stop? Can you please stop, please?
Ugonne, at this point I cannot stop. I love you so much. You mean everything to me. Yes. Please, I know you will not like to disrespect the name of your family. I will be inside with my uncle, please. Kindly go back inside.
Simple. Get married and settle down. That's what really matters for the family to move on.
Knock. Good morning. Hey. What? I think the person take it.
No, there's nobody there. Did you see your boss in the compound?
Ella! When? What this morning?
Like when?
10 minutes ago.
Oh my goodness. Did he tell you where he was going to?
No. I'm not gonna tell you that kind of thing. See, look at the waiting concern me for this compound. I just pee, I open the gate. Pee, I close the gate. That's all. If you pass like that.
You know what? Just give me his phone number.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Make I bring him.
You don't have it offhand?
No. I don't have it. Did you have it offhand? You that was inside there says, did you have it offhand? Let me get it. Just be pressing 080. 080. Let me just be pressing it and coming. 080.
I forgot to say it.
Yes.
It reminds me of Chakre's bull line. Chakre's weird.
That's what you said.
He who found a good wife.
And this is a good family.
Yes.
So, not that bad,
What's going on here? Oh! Like very nice hello. My name is Joe. You are in law to me.
So it is true. It is true that my mother wants to force you down my sister's throat.
What is he talking about?
Uncle, relax. I will sort it out. My brother, please, can we go outside and have a word?
You should have had a word with me before coming here to embarrass yourself.
My brother, I understand the point you are trying to make. But please, everything happened so fast. I am sorry.
Oh. Why am I even having a conversation with you? I want you and whoever that is out of this place right this minute.
My brother, please. He is my uncle, a titled man.
You think I care? You think this is a joke? You think I'm joking, right? I said I want you out of this place right this minute.
Can we sort it
You
out?
still think I want to have a discussion? Okay, where are you going to? Follow here. Get out of this place! You think I'm joking? Get out of this place! You're still waiting. Huh? You want me to drag you?
Oh, don't force an old man.
Good.
You might wound me.
Okay.
Let me gladly take your house. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What's up? You're here?
It's done.
It's not like they're gone?
Yes, they have.
How? How did you do it?
Are you the one asking me this question?
Yes, I am, because I am surprised.
Well, if you did not think I would handle it, you wouldn't have called me in the first place, remember? Your brother is a rugged man. I handled it. Once I set my mind to do something, I always do it to the last letter. What's
Wow.
done there?
Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's alright. I have to leave now, alright?
Okay.
Take care of yourself and stop worrying too much.
Okay.
Where is everybody?
Mom, where are they?
I don't know.
What do you mean by that? They were here 10 minutes ago when I came to serve them drinks.
Then what could have happened?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes!
Hello? Oh, babe, I went to take care of something at the family house. I am so sorry, my darling. I'm so sorry, but I'm on my way back. You'll see me in a couple of minutes, huh?
It's a play. It's a play. It's a play. It's the time that never fall in love. It goes by a nightstand. Then he feels disgusted for the lady, and he will never want you. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle.
Ma, you sent for me.
Do you know why they left?
No, ma, just that Humiliated Uncle Brown came in. They ran off.
Brown was here?
Yes, ma.
Where is he?
He already left, ma.
He left?
Yes, ma.
Now get out. Why are you standing there looking at me?
Sorry.
Get out! Look here. If I find out you have a hand in this, you have me to contend with.
Mom, why would you even think I would have a hand to do with something like this?
Why won't I think? I learned that Brown was here, and the gate man said he chased them away.
Why would he do something like that?
You're asking me. The question should be, who told Brown that there's an introduction going on here today?
Wait a minute, Mom. How could you be so callous? You mean you did not tell my brother that his only sister is about to be given away in marriage?
I am callous, right?
That is not the point here.
What is the point?
That is not the point. You were the one that called Brown to tell him what was going on here.
Well, like I said, Mom, I don't even know what you're talking about.
You wouldn't know. It's in your character. You wouldn't know.
I don't.
I think it's been long I slapped you with my left hand.
Wait now. Wait. Okay, let's talk.
You can't just see me and want to sleep with me. Like, we need to talk. Like, we need a proper, like, a detailed conversation of what we want to do.
We can have that detailed conversation while we are doing the do.
Are you for real?
It's very simple. I'm for real.
Seriously?
Yes, I'm very serious.
Take your hands off me.
What's the problem?
You said what?
Why are you bringing a problem to me?
If there is anybody that has a problem here right now, it is you. Like, obviously you. Like, you just saw me and the next thing you want to climb me. No, I should go to your room so you climb me. Eh? Like, do you think I am one cheap gear from the streets? I don't understand.
Price. Name your price.
Excuse me?
Name your price. Stop pretending. Tell me how much it will cost. Let me do what I have to do.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking. How much is your money?
You must be sick up here.
You did not come to my house to insult me. I see you are a very wicked human being. You cannot just see somebody like the person and give the person what the person wants. That's fine, it's okay. Get out of my house.
What?
I don't have strength for this. You can't just see a guy, you like the man, you know, you fulfill yourself, you give the person what he wants. Get out, I beg.
What do you mean the introduction did not hold?
Well, like I said, the introduction did not hold.
What happened?
Well, let's just say God intervened.
God came from heaven and intervened?
Yes, something like that, you're right. You just took it right out of my mouth.
Can you be serious?
I'm damn serious. And please, if you do not mind, can we talk about something else? Dang it.
We can only talk about something else if you promise we are going to revisit this discussion.
Okay. Now can we talk about something else?
So, I guess.
Do I need to guess?
Guess.
You're pregnant. Of course, that's the only thing you're good at. Always reproducing like a piglet.
You were right, but that's not the real thing. Guess.
Not as much.
Try again.
Well, you know I'm not that good at guessing. So just spell it out.
Okay, let me help you. My husband has promised to get me a car once I put to bed.
Are you okay? Are you sure you're sensible enough? Are you alright upstairs? Oh, Jesus, what? You are even excited about it? Like you're super duper elated about it. God. This man is a well-to-do man. He has the money to buy you a car even without you reproducing a child for him. And here you are being happy about it. Must you reproduce before he buys you a car? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Oh, please. Save me this 21st century biblical bullshit. I'm done with it. What kind of a demented story is this?
Ogone, it's not that serious. All you just need to do is be happy for me and that's all.
I am happy for you, girlfriend, but trust me. I have to tell you the truth and I have to hit it just like you hit the hammer on the nail. I am telling you at this point that this man should buy you a car. He has the money to even buy whatever you want. He doesn't need you to always give birth to a child before he gives you something. Hello? Come on.
I don't need your greeting.
Mama, what's
wasn't expecting you. Is everything okay?
Why did you pull that string you pulled in the house in a matter that does not concern you?
I do not understand the matter you speak about.
I know you understand. You do understand me very well.
Well, Mom, if I understood, I would not be asking this question. I have a meeting in the next 15 minutes. So
okay,
please.
then. You came to the house to disrupt a marriage introduction between your sister and Joe. Why?
Well, Mom, since my father passed, I've been acting like a father to my sister, Ogunne. Just like I'm a husband to you, as the first son of this family.
Really?
Yes. So if anything like that should happen, I should be aware first.
I see.
Yes.
Now, let me tell you this. It is your turn to get married, and you have just 2 weeks to do that. Okay.
Mom, you will never cease to amaze me.
It sounds funny to you, but we shall soon see who is amazing who.
Instruction is simple. Get married and settle down. That's what really matters for the family to move on.
18 months ago, precisely, at the burial of late Senator Ibebune Lawrence. You remember I told you that I want you to be part of my family.
Yes, Mom, I remember twice I've also called to ask you what you meant by that, but you didn't give me any response.
You're right. I was really busy. I was working on something, but now I am done. Okay? I'm done with what I was doing.
Okay.
I remember you once told me you liked my son, Brown.
Yes, Ma, and I still like him.
Okay. Do you like him to the extent of being his wife?
Yes. Brown is the handsome man, every woman's dream.
Yeah, sure.
I want to be his wife, Ma.
Okay. He's coming to marry you in 3 weeks.
What?
Yes. Yes.
This sounds too good to be real, Mom.
Believe it. Believe it. You know me. You know I'm a go-getter. So, I'm going to bring 2 of you together. Then we'll start the process from there.
Oh my God. No. Please. I can't wait, Mom. Thank you so much.
Come on.
I'm so grateful. Thank you, Mom.
Relax. Come on, sit down. Relax. Relax.
Thank you.
Relax, no problem. I'm a woman of my words. They'll serve you something to drink. Don't worry. In the next 3 weeks, we're there.
Can't wait. Thank you, Ma.
It's okay. Calm down. Norma.
Joe, please, you need to calm down. You really need to.
What? It's over between me and that girl. I don't want.
Joe, you can't tell me that. Do you want to throw everything away just like that?
Exactly the way it's going to be. And I have nothing to regret.
Come on, Joe. Okay, please. I need you to give it this one last try. Just the last time. For the last time, please.
But, please, I will advise you to stop stressing yourself. I have decided to leave that girl and go on a different direction, please. I am tired of her and her insult.
Joe, whatever has gone wrong can still be fixed. I need you to know that. Please.
I understand, and I wish I can. At this point, I can't go back to that girl.
Can I talk to her this last time to see if she can come apologize to you?
Please, but I will advise you to stop stressing yourself.
You misfired this time and you have to accept it.
How did I misfire?
Brown, you should have discussed with that girl. State your intention with her. Before any other thing can come up.
Look, Edmond, I was already in the mood. My balls was on fire already. I needed to unleash. Anyway, it's a loss.
Brown, you just lost a very good girl. A wife material. That is supposed to be your wife.
Are you serious? She's the one that lost me. She lost a husband. And a rich one at that.
Brown, this girl is not after your money. She's self-made.
Anyway, she's self-made for herself. I don't care about her money. Let's talk about something more important.
Okay.
How far? I beg, any girl where you could give me a number this weekend. All the ones who I get, man, they're all busy this weekend. So I was thinking you could introduce me to a new one. You understand? And please, the one you introduce to me right now, I just hope that she will not come and start doing... I want the one that will give me what I want immediately.
Can you listen to yourself? Well, from all indication, you're not ready to settle down as a man and have your own family.
Is that why you are... Hey, where are you going to now? Why are you leaving already?
I am going back to my shop.
I'm going back to your shop. You just came here. We're just having a discussion now. I beg, what's up now? Give me a number now. Check your phone. You will get one we say you know.
Brown, you are sick in the head.
Oh, God. This weekend will be dry.
Welcome to my beautiful abode.
You guys have a massive mansion here.
You can see that in him. You know, it's one of our houses.
Then your daddy must have made a lot of money before you died.
Yes. As a matter of fact, they named him the richest man when he was alive.
Are you
in my state?
Wow.
Okay, so let's go inside. My mom is inside.
All right.
Oh, you know I have much fun today.
I know you did.
Yes, I do.
And I have more for you.
Oh my goodness. I can't wait to meet one. Hey, mommy. Your cupcake is back. Hey. Hi, mommy. Hi. Come here. Hi, mom. Meet my friend Frank. Frank, my mom.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You have a seat.
Thank you.
So, tell me, what's wild for you? We're going to
come with me.
I'll be right back, okay?
So,
Where did you meet that thing?
What thing are you talking about?
The fraudster you came home with. Where did you meet him?
Mommy, Frank is not a fraudster. You don't even know him.
That confirms that you have eyes, but you cannot see with them.
I don't understand you, mother.
Maybe you should tell me what he does for a living.
Well, mother, I've not asked him. I don't even know, but I'm sure he's not into anything illegal.
That confirms you do not know what he does for a living. Go ask him, what does he do for a living? But henceforth, I do not want to see you with him.
What?
You had me.
Mother, you're joking, right?
I'm not joking. As a matter of fact, you're going to go in there now and ask him to leave my house.
Mother!
Yes. Go in and ask him to leave my house. Go ask him to leave. Don't stand there looking at me.
Ivy, sorry I kept you waiting.
Hey, love.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
What do I offer you? My bad.
Anything brandy.
Okay, Brandy, you have it.
I cannot observe your mom is not happy.
My mom.
Yeah.
Yes. No, I mean, she's very tired. She had a very stressful day, so I had to pressurize her to wait for us to get here before she went to bed.
Because for a moment I thought maybe, but it's alright.
It's fine.
It's okay.
So, Brandy, right?
Yes, Brandy, my love.
On my way. You said you did what? You heard me. I brought Frank home.
To do what exactly?
I mean, why? I don't even understand the meaning of your stupid question. What kind of question is that?
Wait. Let me get something straight. Are you guys dating?
Oh. Goodness God. Are you kidding me right now? Frank and I are about getting married. We are not just dating.
Ugone, you can't be serious. Frank is a fraudster who dupes ladies for a living.
And you don't want to be a victim. Listen to me. I can take all the name calling from my mother. Certainly not from you. You're not a saint either. And you know nothing about Frank.
Okay. So, tell me. Did Mom say something bad about him?
Yes, she did. Happy now? But I don't know why you all keep saying him in a negative light.
That's because he is not the right man for you. I will advise you end whatever you have with him to avoid heartbreak.
Oh, goodness God. I'm sorry to bust your bubble, Sonny. We have come a long way. And there's no going back.
Hi, Bobo.
I'm fine. I miss you. I wanted to call you.
I called you first.
Yeah, you called first.
Exactly, my love. Exactly.
You can see that again.
Baby.
Yeah.
My love, there is this business that came as an emergency and I need money to add up to the one I have.
Really? Like how much are we looking at?
I actually need up to 25 million.
What? 25 what?
I'm not asking you for that kind of money, so anything you can give me will be fine.
What exactly do you want to do with this money, if I may?
Well, I have goods that are being manufactured for me from China. The money I sent already is no longer enough and I need this goods to leave China this week.
Hold on please. Okay. I just checked my account. I'll be lending you 18 million. But on one condition, that you will be returning my money to me once you're done marketing your goods.
I can assure you that after this business, I will pay you back.
Okay, no problem. Just send me your account number.
I will drop my account details after the call.
Okay. Bye, babe. Love you. Oh! Okay, babe. We've been seeing a whole lot of things. And you said you had a surprise for me.
Yes.
It's not connecting. What is the surprise? Just out with it.
You guess.
But you know I'm not good at guessing.
You should guess. Don't be a killjoy. Just guess.
I'm not good at guessing, seriously.
Guess one. Guess two.
I'm not good at guessing, please.
All right.
So what is it all about?
Close your eyes. Just for
I
5
have to close my eyes too.
Just for 5 seconds. 5.
Okay.
Okay, I'm still seeing them.
Hello? Are you there?
I'm here. You can open them now. You see, babe?
What are you doing?
What does it look like?
What are you doing?
My love, you know I love you like mad. And I want you to make me the most happiest man on earth and be the mother of my unborn children. Please, marry me.
Oh my God. Okay. I will marry you.
That's what I care.
Wow. So how did you know I was going to love this?
Well, I know your taste. And that is my token of love for you.
I love you so much, Frank.
I love you too, darling.
There's nothing in this life that can be compared to the love that I have.
Nothing. Never.
Wow. It's
So,
so beautiful.
I was thinking, since we're done with the engagement, and I was thinking of coming to see your people with my people.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Wow. Oh. Okay, so when do you want to come?
Maybe you should discuss with your mom, and whenever she's free, I'm good.
Okay. I will.
That boy is not going to marry you, and that is final. I don't get it. You don't get it. Forget about it if you don't get it. The bottom line here is that you're not going to marry him.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Mom. I love Frank. And not even you can stop me from marrying him.
Seriously? Now look me in the face and say that again. Say it again.
I'm sorry.
Good. I've warned you. Anytime you have discussion with me, be guarded. For that boy, he does not have any genuine means of livelihood. So I cannot hand over my daughter to him in marriage.
Mother,
Hey, shut up! Shut up! And get out of my sight right now. Get out! Can you imagine?
What? What's that? What's your face like this?
It's Mom. She's driving me nuts.
Mom, what does she don't understand?
She said I can't marry the love of my life.
Why? Did she say why?
She said she heard that he's a foster. Can you imagine?
Sis? Is he a fraudster?
No, he's not.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay. I will speak with her. Alright? Put a smile on your face.
I'm not in the mood, please.
Oh, come on, put a smile on. Where are you even rushing to? You're always getting angry. Mom, she says she's in love with this guy. Why don't you want them to get married?
What does she know about love?
A lot to know what I want, Mom. A lot.
Anyway, my take is final in this case. Okay? You're not going to marry him.
Mom, why are you doing this to me? Why?
I wish you understand. I'm trying to save you from danger. But if you see it as evil, it's okay. All I know is that you're not going to marry him.
Mom, this is not fair. Seriously, bro, this is not fair. I have the right to get married to who I want. I love this guy in particular. Why won't Mother let me be with him?
Sis, just calm down, okay? Don't stress it too much. I'll talk to her later. Okay? Relax.
I don't like this. I don't.
I don't care. I don't care what you feel. I don't care.
It appears your mom does not like me.
How would you say that?
Isn't it obvious?
She does.
And why has she not approved our love?
She's just taking her time, that's all.
Taking her time to do what exactly?
Come off it, babe. Can we just change the topic and talk about something else? We have a whole lot to talk about, right? Babe. Put a smile on your face for me.
I'm not in the mood to smile. To be honest with you, I'm not.
Why are you getting up? Where are you going?
I want to leave.
Why?
I have a business to attend to.
Babe, you know that's a fat lie. You're leaving because of my mom. Please, we can just sort this out.
Leaving because of your mom? Maybe yes, but not really. I have a business to take care of. I'll call you once I'm done, I promise.
Okay. You have come to talk about my man, so you can ruin my mood as usual, right? Well, I'm sorry to burst your bubbles. I'm not in that mood right now. Do I offer you something? Do you want anything?
With the way you're sounding, it means you've not even heard.
Heard what?
Frank just had a court wedding with a woman who has 3 kids for him. And they have concluded arrangements to travel out of this country.
You must be high on some cheap drugs. Seriously, if I didn't know you, or if I didn't place you at a point, I would think you're high.
You think so? You think I'm lying, right? Go ahead and call him. Call your Frank, your lover boy. Call him to verify my claims. Go ahead.
You're really serious?
Go ahead.
You're serious, oh? Frank, I need you to answer my question right now. Listen, I'm not here to mince words with you. Did you have a court wedding yesterday?
Yes.
Did you just say yes?
Well, it's not a dream.
Wait, you've been playing me all along. Frank, you have been playing with me all along.
I don't know what that means. But the truth is that the man has to do what he has to do to survive.
Frank, oh Rabush, I swear to God. Frank, you will suffer. You see, you better keep running, oh, because wherever I set my eyes on you, I will kill you. I will set you ablaze.
Listen, I was told we had to get, and so I said to myself, why not run you down emotionally since I can't run you down financially?
Frank, you will suffer. Frank, you will know no peace. Since you enjoy swindling women, people will swindle you. God will punish you. You will die a miserable... Hello? Hello? Hey! Jesus.
What is wrong with you? Huh?
Nothing more.
Nothing. Of course, nothing. I'm glad it happened faster than I thought. I talked to you. I called you aside. I spoke to you as a mother, but you wouldn't listen. Now you've seen it. Yeah?
I'm sorry I never listened to you, Mom.
Ah. That's it. It's okay. Now you have learnt your lessons, haven't you? Good. That's the most important thing. But for now, I don't care. Brood all you want, then calm yourself.
have really gone through a whole lot in the hands of men. No one should judge me.
Get married and settle down. That's what really matters. For the family to move on. That's what we need, and that's what should be done. Make it a priority. We will be okay. Whoa. You know, say money no be problem. We get some now.
Someone just tell me.
Who is she?
Good question. She's going to be your wife. So I brought her to spend time with you here so both of you can get acquainted with each other.
Mom? You're joking, right?
No. I mean, from today henceforth, she's going to be staying with you for at least 2 weeks, which is enough for you to have known her. Then, your marriage will take place.
Hold on, Mom.
Yeah.
Just hold on. This lady you're talking about, I don't even know her, and you want me to get married to her?
I know. That's why I have brought her to stay with you.
I am not interested. I'm not ready for all this.
God damn. This is not out for debate, Brown. She's going to be staying with you. And she's going to be your wife. Go in and stay. I'll see you later. Okay.
Mom.
Yes.
This has got to be a prank, right? I mean, you're playing games with me.
Oh my God.
You can't possibly do this. I am not ready to get married yet.
Brown, look around here. Does it look like a football pitch where people play games?
What is wrong with you? This woman we're even talking about, she's not my spec.
Then make her your spec. That is why I brought her to you.
I am not interested in her.
Then who are you interested in?
I am not interested in anyone right now, but once I find someone I'm interested in, I would definitely let you know.
Seriously? Anyway, sweetheart, that time is what I do not have.
What kind of problem is this? What is wrong with this woman? Why is this woman after my life?
There are certain things that will happen in one's life and you begin to wonder if certain people are normal at all.
I don't understand. Are you by any chance insinuating that I'm not normal?
Of course you're not.
I beg your pardon, because if you are, you won't sit here and say you're missing Frank. Why? I loved this guy, right? And I thought he was going to be my husband, so what is wrong with me missing him?
Frank is the last person you should be talking about, considering all he did to you. And from all I know, this guy is the reason you now see all men as demons. So why sit here and say you miss him?
Okay, fine. You win. But you know what? I miss him. And I'm not going to deny that. As a matter of fact, I have not been able to love another man the way I loved him.
This is pure madness. Have you wondered why I don't talk about him at all?
You know what? This is the wrong topic. Let's just change it. Let's change the topic.
Go get me the documents.
I don't understand.
Madam, get me the documents. Let me get out.
The last time I checked, you know your way up to the room. Make yourself useful.
You don't like the food? Wait, what happened? You don't like the food?
So you don't even know how to cook?
Please, if you don't like the food, I can make something else for you.
My goodness, you have ears, but I don't think they're functioning. Even if you make something else, you will still eventually cook rubbish.
Brown, let me make something else for you, please. What happened to this food?
I didn't know that you were this beautiful.
Oh. Am I?
Yes, you are.
Thank you. Thank you for telling me to my face I'm beautiful.
You know, if there was any word better than beautiful, I would have used it on you.
Wow. You really know how to soften women with words.
I do?
Yeah.
What about that? Maybe? I can see that you're working overtime to impress.
Impressed? No, I'm just doing my thing naturally.
Well, you don't have to do anything naturally because I have a cleaning company that I pay to clean my house 3 times every week. So you don't have to bother about that.
What are you insinuating?
I sent you 250,000 naira. Have you seen it?
Okay. Yes. The money's for what?
Your job here is done. The money is for what you did last night, for the services that you rendered.
What?
You can leave now.
What?
You heard me. You can leave.
Are you joking or something? I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
Do I look like a comedian to you? I'm not joking. You did a fantastic job last night and I've paid you for it. You should also know this. I usually pay other girls 100,000 naira. But I paid you 250,000 naira. That should tell you that I am a very generous person. And also to add that you did a fantastic job last night.
Your mother caused this. I don't blame you.
Hello. Nkechi, you're crying.
He kicks me out of the house.
What? Why? And you sure you did not do anything to offend him? Okay, find your way to the house.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Brown, you have just touched the tail of a lion.
What is even wrong with my organ? Wait. So among all these girls, why do you open gate for when they enter here? When they come, they see her, they come, they go, they come, they go. Does it mean say my organ never see anyone? Me, they just they collect one. Eh? Wait, are you sure this is ordinary? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Because if this is the ordinary, if you don't select, even if now one. You can see the guests. All the guests will be down here. The other one top, black, chocolate. The other one do like a podala. What if I find sweet things when they enter here? See, aside from my own angle now, I think they see this thing. To be like saying, my organ, they possess. All those guests, why they open door for? Maybe them get vulture character. All these are good.
Hello, dearest.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, my dear. How you doing?
I'm fine, ma.
Okay.
Okay, ma. I just called to check up with you.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much, darling. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm actually rushing off to somewhere, to take care of something. Can I call you back when I get back? All right, darling. Thank you so much. Go in, pack your things. I'm selling this place. Nana, go in there, pack your things. I'm shutting this place down.
Madam, I beg now. I hope nobody will want to pursue me for work with this, man. To find work for this country, they hard now.
It's okay. It's okay. The only thing I'll do for you is I'll put your name on the list of those I'll be paying every month until this matter between your guy and I is resolved. Is that okay?
Okay, but thank you.
So go in, pack your things. I'm waiting in the car.
Okay, but thank you. Ciao! Hi! But I'm splendid!
Why did you change the locks in my house, Mom?
Staying in the house without a wife or even a serious girlfriend is a waste of space, and I can no longer tolerate that.
I don't understand you.
There's nothing difficult here to understand.
Look, Mother, I did not come here to argue with you. I did not come here to banter words with you. What I came here to do is collect my key so I can go back to my house. That's what I came here to do.
You know I cannot do that. As a matter of fact, you're coming back to the family house to stay. Yes.
What?
You heard me. I said you are going to live in this house until you're married. Then I can hand over the keys to you.
You've got to be joking, right?
Joke. Why is it that it's only my children that do not understand who Madame Splendor really is?
Mom, I don't want you to push me to the wall. I don't want to get angry here. Please. All I came here to do is ask for my keys because you changed the locks. I want the keys to that house so I can go back to my house and rest. I had a very busy day.
Brown, I can see that you're getting bigger than your shoulders. But if you think you have everything it takes to challenge me, your mother, then bring it on.
The instruction is simple. Get married and settle down. That's what really matters. For the family to move on. That's what we need.
Would you please stop telling me to calm down? Do you know what Mom did? She fired the security man at my place and changed all the locks. Why would she do a thing like that? Why? I am the one who lives in that house. I decide when that house should be locked and when it should be thrown open.
Calm down. Hey, still calm down. We have a situation at hand already, and yet you are trying to compound it. Relax.
If Mother does not return the keys to me, I swear I will go there and break down that door and get entrance into my house.
Try it. And I will make sure that for good 3 months, you'll be in the police custody. And by the time you get out, I would have stripped you of everything you think you have right now.
Cannot possibly do that, Mother. Can't.
I see. That thing that is turning your brain, I placed you in charge of that oil servicing company. And I know that that company still belongs to my husband. It's still in his name. I'm going to throw you out and put someone else in charge of the place to run the company for the family.
Well, your late husband was my father. I am his first son. I have rights as his first son.
You want to challenge Madam Splendor? File out. Go back there, break the keys, and I will show you the stuff your mother is made of.
God, truth be told, you cannot fight, Mom. You won't even win it. She has it all. Talk about connection. With just a snap of her finger, she will achieve what will take you 10 years in just 1 minute. You can only fight her with diplomacy.
What have I done wrong to have a mother that is a tyrant?
She is not a tyrant. Don't say that. Mother is not even that bad. You just misunderstand her. That's by the way. Thank God you're back. You know, next week is Mother's birthday. So I was thinking that we should give her something like a very beautiful surprise birthday gift. What do you think?
You've got to be kidding me. Excuse me, I'm not interested.
Oh, please. Bro, you have to be interested. You know why? Because that is the only way things can be reversed here. As a matter of fact, you're in. Oh, cheer up.
If you're here to plead with me to release the keys to the house, you have failed.
That's not why we came here, Mom.
Good. So why are you here?
Next weekend, it's your birthday. So Ogoni and I came to find out what you would need so we can present that to you as a gift.
The only gift that will make sense to me is you bringing the girl that you want to marry and Ogoni bringing a man that wants to marry her. That's all the gift I'm going to take. What is funny? What is funny here? Look, if you don't have any other thing to say, get out. I say get out! I want to be left alone. Out. Get married, no. Get married, no. You want to give me birthday gifts? What will you give me? Is it a husband, a wife, or my grandchildren?
What are you doing here and how did you get into this place?
Please. I'm sorry. I don't know what I did the last time and the way you treated me. I'm sorry.
This is not the time and place for this. I am not cut out for this drama. Get out of my office right now.
Fine, but I want you to forgive me. Please.
Forgive you for doing what exactly? What should I forgive you for?
Brown, I love
Get
you.
out!
I love you. Please, don't do this. Please, I love you. Please, baby.
What's your name again?
What? You don't know my name?
If I knew your name, I would not be asking you that question. Dummy!
So, you don't know my name and I gave my body to you.
Well, that explains who you are. You are a hoe. You are stupid and dumb. Get out. Don't fall here or don't die here. Get out.
Mom!
Oh, Ima!
Mama!
How are you?
Fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
How was your journey?
Cool, Mom. Cool.
Thank God for journey mercies.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
Where's Juliet?
Oh, Mom, she traveled home.
Oh. But you told me she'll be coming with you for the party.
Yes, Mom. She got a call that her dad is sick.
Oh.
So she decided to go back home to see him.
Oh. Okay. Remind me later in the day to call her.
All right,
to know
Mom.
how her dad is faring.
Okay, Mom.
That means she won't be coming then.
No, Mom, she will, but that will be on the day of your birthday.
Oh, okay. That's all right.
That's the plan, Mom.
It's all right. Okay, go freshen up.
All right, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
All right.
Mom, hope there's food in the kitchen.
There is. Go freshen up first.
Okay, Mom.
So, my dear, you know they do it, right? It's something like a Botox. They give you this injection and hopefully it just sits.
So are you planning to do what?
Do what? That reminds me, my dear. My mommy's birthday is coming up this weekend.
Yeah! Are you serious?
Yes, honey.
You're very lucky you didn't forget to invite me. If not, you'd have had it hot with me.
The fight for sweet. I want for separate us.
You think so?
That gate man.
Which gate?
That to our road.
That one? That one. Separate me.
Oh God.
So, what are we expecting to see on the birthday?
Well, just a family thing. We'll get together. We don't really want to elaborate it.
Why?
You know my mom, don't you? Once it has to do with the public, she will do anything to avoid it.
What? It's her birthday. I mean, the entire city should know that the wife of a late billionaire is celebrating her birthday. Yeah.
Yes, you're right. But that's not my mom. That's what every billionaire's wife would do. My mom is not that kind of billionaire's wife. Once she finds out we're planning something for her, she's going to leave this house to return the day after.
Yes. More reason she is able to manage so much wealth. Zero tolerance for extravagant spending.
Not when it comes to me, please. Can
You
never
think so?
be for me.
You think so?
Yes, honey.
See this one.
Because I care about it. I know her password. Ping pong, ping pong.
Of course you are
And the cash will be rolling out, and I'll be collecting it.
Enjoy it. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait.
She's always able to dispense cash.
It's our mom's birthday. And we are all determined to celebrate this beautiful, amazing woman right here. First, let me say this. No matter what I say here, no matter the adjective that I use here, it is not enough to describe how beautiful my mother is. Just look at her. She is a philanthropist. Name it. What has she not done? This woman you see right here prefers to go hungry just to see every child have the best things of life. Just because of her school of thought that says, yes, says, give a child the opportunity to grow because you do not know what that child will become in the future. That's right. These are her words. Mama, I celebrate you.
Thank you.
You are an amazing woman. I cannot even begin to count how many people she has helped. We all know this.
She is still helping.
She's still helping.
She's still helping.
Thank you.
Yeah, babe, where are you? I'm coming. That was what you said 45 minutes ago. So my mom will call the cake. I don't want you to miss it. You don't sound as if you're in a public car.
Our boss had a flat tire, so I saw someone who decided to give me a lift.
Someone gave you a lift?
You don't need to worry about anything. The guy will drop me in the estate. We're even close.
Okay, please, hurry up, okay? Please, just hurry up. Alright, baby.
Babe, thank God that you are here. Sorry, I late.
It's fine, okay?
Has she got the cake?
Yes.
Has she been presented with the gifts?
I think that is the next thing that's about to happen.
Alright then, let's get back inside.
You can go in, okay? I want to pick James up. He lost his way.
Where exactly is he?
He's within, alright? Let me just go out there and pick him up.
Now it's time for gifts presentation.
Okay. The big money.
I tell you, man, exactly the
Big
moment.
money.
And I'm going to go first. I'll open the floor. Yes. My sweet mama. Madam Splendor.
That's me. That's me.
Mama, you're Shakara. You're Shakara.
You know now.
Mama, as a beautiful woman, and because you became a brand new person today, I'm presenting to you a brand new car. Mama!
Happy birthday, mommy. Okay, my turn. Hey, Mom. I got you a very wonderful gift. In here, there is diamond, your favorite stones, and gold. You know I'm your favorite, so I know what you like.
I know.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Yes, so.
Well, here is my humble gift to you.
Thank you so much, my darling.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Dear. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a player. It's a player. It's a player.
Sorry, I'm late, ma'am. She's not there.
The most important thing is that you're here.
My humble gift.
Thank you.
Where exactly are you?
I am at that
T-junction that has a silver gate, and there is one white and blue signboard by the side.
Okay, just remain there. I'm coming over to pick you up, okay?
It's a player. 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 It's the type that never fall in love. He goes by a nightstand. Then he feels disgusted for the lady, and you never want to. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle. It's so bad to treat a lady like that, but he feels no remorse because that is his lifestyle.
I have stressed you today.
What up?
Yeah.
How is it going?
Man, cool.
I guess I've missed a lot.
Man, you really missed.
What about Juliet? Is she there?
I am surprised I don't answer this question.
Hi,
Hi.
my name is Brown, and I'm the first son of Madam Splendor.
Oh, it's my pleasure to meet you, sir.
Pleasure is mine. So, how are you related to this family? I mean, I've never seen your face before.
A friend to Ima.
You're my kid brother?
Yes, sir.
I see. So, are you schoolmates or something? What are you?
Yes, schoolmates.
Ah, schoolmates. You share you're both in the same course or something?
The same school, sir.
The same school.
Yeah.
I see. That's nice. Well, let's go back inside. I want you to do something for me. You don't mind, right?
It's fine.
Right after you, please. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Why is everyone's face like this? Relax. Calm down. Just before we call it today, I just want to make one more presentation. Mom, I know you want to see me happy. I know it is your lifelong dream to see me married so that I can give you grandchildren, right?
Yeah. That day you make the move will be my happiest day.
Yeah. Mom, well, you see, I have thought about this very, very hard. And I really want to make you happy. So here is Juliet. She's the one I want to make my wife.
Of all the girls in the world, must it be Ima's girlfriend?
The problem here is I have always known Brown as a controversial human being. This is really strange. Seriously.
This is going to cause enmity between them.
Yeah, I know. The problem now is that this Brown will not let go. He will not let go.
Well, he's your friend, so you need to talk to him.
I will talk to him, but I know he's never going to listen. He will not listen, no matter what I say.
This is all shades of wrong.
This whole thing is really getting complicated.
I totally disagree with all of you. Juliet is mine, and I will not leave her for him.
Well, bro, listen, you need to chill. You need to hear us out.
No. Nothing in this life will ever make me to leave Juliet for him. Never!
Emma, do you realize you're talking about your senior brother?
Yes, Mom. I know that. But taking what rightfully belongs to me is what I will never allow to happen. Never!
Yes, I understand what you're saying. But nobody is trying to take away what rightfully belongs to you. Nobody.
Then tell him to take his eyes off my girl.
What do you want from the girl?
I want to marry her.
The girl is like my friend. She's not like every other girl you have toyed with.
No, Mom. I don't intend to toy with her. Please, help me convince her to marry me. I promise you that if you do, I will plan the marriage ceremony immediately.
What is special about the girl?
The moment she walked in and I set my eyes on her, I just knew that she was the missing link in my life.
It's not going to be easy convincing your brother.
I know, Mom. But I trust you. There is nothing that you cannot do.
I'll try my best.
Thank you.
It's not guaranteed yet. I would have asked how you're doing, but I know you're not fine.
Yes, ma'am.
But it's a decision-making point in your life. And whatever decision you take now will be backed up by me. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
That you're married to my family already is not in doubt. But the decision you have to make now is whether to marry Brown or wait for him.
Confused, ma. I don't even know what to say or do.
Well, any decision you take is okay by me. These two people involved are my children, and they are both good options.
Ma, I don't know the direction to go. I've already taken you as my mother the moment you accepted me as your friend. But whatever you say I should do, I'll do it.
You just pushed it back to me. Okay. Marry Brian.
Babe, we are going back to school.
Sorry.
For what?
Ma, I love you. I love you so much, but we can't.
Wait a minute. Did my mom talk you into accepting to marry my elder brother Brown? So what is the problem?
She didn't talk me into it. I decided to marry him.
Wait, God. So, are you going to leave me now?
Ma.
Remember, you already told me about him.
That's how we always have problem making a choice. Don't you think what is happening now is the will of God?
The will of God? Babe, what about the promises you made to me? You gave me your word that nothing on earth will ever separate you and I. You made me believe that I will be the only man that you ever love and cherish. What is going on?
Sorry.
Oh God.
I'm sorry, but this is beyond me. This is beyond us. I'm sorry.
I don't need it. Alright? I don't need it.
Sorry.
Oh good. Listen, bro. Stay away from my girl. Alright? Stay away from my girl!
Ima, you need to calm down, okay?
Oh yes, I will calm down, but that is when you stay clear from my woman. She belongs to me. I have been keeping her because I love her so much.
You have been keeping her for your elder brother. That's what you did. She has made her choice, Ima, and you cannot tell her to go against her wish.
Oh, you think so?
I know so.
Very well then. But I will assure you that you will not enjoy this marriage if you go ahead and marry her.
Emma, how can you say a thing like that?
Will you shut up, you betrayer? I wish I can say something worse than this. Rubbish.
For the family to move on, that's what we need, and that's what should be done. Make it a priority, we will be okay. Whoa.
I got it for you.
You know, say money no be problem. We get some low, no need to hustle. You know, say we wanna be problem. Hey. We get some never, hey. No need to panic. What I want is something to move the family forward, to work on the future and see what it holds. Hey, what we need now is to expand for a stronghold on what we have. That's what we need, and that's what should be done. Make it a priority, we will be okay. The instruction is simple: get married and settle down. That's what really matters for the family to move on. That's what we need, and that's what should be done. Make it a priority, we will be okay.
Honestly, my son, you should not misunderstand all this. Juliet is now with your brother, and I feel you should allow peace to reign. At least let your brother get married. Please.
Mom, I love Juliet so much. Like, she means everything to me. Everything.
And all the while you've been with her, you never touched her?
Because I felt that we have the eternity to live together. Mom, I am so devastated right now because I never believed that Juliet will abandon me this way.
No. Don't hold this against Juliet. This is mightier than her. If God wanted you to be with Juliet, what happened wouldn't have happened. I mean, the moment your brother saw her, his whole resistance got broken. That is to show you that God is involved. Please, let them be.
But Mom, okay, so what do you want me to do right now? Because I'm so confused. Like, I'm totally confused, Mom.
Okay, what I want you to do is to allow peace to reign. Do not go into war with your brother. Okay? In all this, I see that God just used you to bring a wife to your brother. Please, allow them to be. Let Brown marry her. I'm sure that this could be a turning point for this family. Let Brown for once. Have you been happy that at his age, he's not married? Please. My happiness is that you never touched Juliet. It would have been a different ballgame. Let Brown get married. You are still young, man. Let him get married.
Oh. Beautiful one.
You came back?
Yes. I never left. I just gave you a break because I wanted you to have the time you need to heal.
That's so nice of you. That actually shows that you're very intelligent.
I know, but not as intelligent as you are. Ugonne, I am still asking for the opportunity. Your brother is happily married now. And I feel his move has destroyed whatever that kept you from saying yes to me all this while.
I do not like such narrative. But nevertheless, I did not say yes then because I wasn't ready. But now, I am.
Are you being serious?
I am being serious right now. I, Ugune Ilonse, accept to be your wife.
Wow, this is wonderful. I have always been ready. I am ready to marry and make you my wife. And I promise you the best in life. I swear with my life.
I accept to be your wife.
This is wonderful. Please, can I have a hug for this? Thank you so much. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
We need to go and celebrate this somewhere.
We need to.
Malita.
Like this one? Like this one? Are you sure? You want to see other ones, right? Yeah.
I prefer this.
Oh, really? Let's see other ones. I think I like this one. What do you think? Emmanuel, what are you doing here?
I was angry and I did not attend your marriage.
It's fine. If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't attend. So it's okay.
But I'm here to let you both know that I bear no grudges against you.
Are you sure? This is coming straight from your mind.
Yes, from my heart. And I wish you both happy married life.
Thank you.
That's what really matters for the family to move on. That's what we need, and that's what should be done. Make it a priority. We will be okay. Whoa. You know, say money no be problem. We get some low, no need to hustle. You know, say I wanna be problem, hey. We get some never, hey. No need to panic. What I want is something to move the family forward. To work on the future and see what it holds. Hey, what we need.